My buddy says, Quinton, I just need a rental. But I said, hang on, let's look at all your options. A rental house gives you space, but also yard work and higher rent. A townhome, easier upkeep, cheaper upfront, but watch out for the HOA fees. They can sneak in. Now, here's the curveball. Builders right now are offering crazy incentives. I'm talking 3.9% interest rates, paid at closing costs, even FHA options that make buying cheaper than renting in some cases. And if you're not ready to buy, lease-to-own gives you a shot at building equity while you rent. We're exploring all three ways, my friend from Virginia. Real homes, real numbers. In the next episode, we'll talk location and why it's not just about commute time.